Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 271 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. It is very well to say after the event that if the policy had been of this nature, it would have been better for the price structure. I do agree that it would be better for every interest concerned if the policy can be of a long range so that everybody knows what the position would be. I do not know whether it would be possible for the Honorable Minister to follow that policy because of the difficulties I just pointed out. But if it is possible to formulate a policy on a long range basis, it would be in the interest of everybody concerned because people would know exactly what the policy is. The question of the export policy is also allied with a number of other questions. Formerly, we used to export groundnuts. Then we stopped exporting groundnuts except a very small quantity. Now we export more oil. There is also the other consideration whether for the oil we should export the vegetable ghee or the hydrogenated oil. All these things depend not only on the internal factors but also on external factors. It has also been said that we should not allow so much quantity of this oil or that. We must allow more quantity, and by allowing more quantity, we might perhaps have our prices go up, or perhaps by allowing less quantity, the prices may go down, and things like that. There is also another factor which has a bearing on this, the world price factor, the world supply and demand, and that depends on our prices and the adjustment of export duties. The policy, as I see, is that the maximum benefit of the export price must go to the state and whatever little margin is left should go to the exporters. That has been the policy till now because there has been a seller's market, and that is why we could dictate with regard to prices. Now, the position has changed completely. In the world, it has become a buyer's market, and therefore it has to be considered whether in the buyer's market we can dictate our prices. As the Honorable Commerce Minister pointed out, according to world supply and demand position, there is a very small surplus. Certainly, the small surplus or small deficit does account a great deal for the change in prices. The prices go down definitely even if there is a small surplus. The world prices are so high with regard to oils and fats that a slight surplus is definitely bound to bring down the prices. I do feel that the policy must be a long range one.